Hello traders. Welcome back to the channel. XAUUSD Gold and Bitcoin. In today's video, we'll be discussing the market analysis of gold and Bitcoin. Make sure you watch the video till the end because I'll be sharing some important levels. First, let's talk about gold, XAUUSD. Currently, we are seeing slightly high volatility in the gold market. If we look at the overall trend, the market is bullish at the moment. For today, the important level for gold is 5,180. If you break 5,180, then you can buy. The target is 5,200, then 5,250. Now let's talk about Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is currently in a downtrend, so we will focus only on sell trades. The important level for Bitcoin is 65,500. If the price breaks this level and gives a closing back below it, we can plan a sell trade, with a target around 64,400. If you want daily market analysis like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video. See you in the next video.